Greetings and welcome aboard. Today, in this tutorial, we'll equip you with the knowledge and skills on how to adjust OMR settings in elDoc. elDoc provides you with optical mark recognition capabilities, specifically designed to recognize data from fill-in-the-bubble forms. How get started? Simply head over to the Administration menu and locate the Recognition Rules tab. From there, click on the Add button and choose the document type from which you want to extract data. Once you've added the source file, you'll have various options for data extraction methods to choose from. Let's select the most relevant method for this type of document, Google Document AI, Invoice Parser. To get data automatically mapped without the need for template setup, simply click on the Captivating Init field button. To establish rules for OMR, simply begin by editing a new field. Provide user-friendly field name that accurately represents the extracted value from the document. Additionally, you can assign tags to the fields, which serve as labels for programmatic access to the retrieved values through the API. When selecting the field type, it is crucial to choose the OMR setting from the available drop-down menu. Use orange area to define field value. Use green area to define field anchor. Next, provide an appropriate description for the fill-in-the-bubble form. To ensure that your adjustments take effect, click on the Apply button. To enhance document classification accuracy, consider including specific keywords that are closely associated with this particular document type. After making the necessary changes to the recognition rules, it's time to save your adjustments and activate the updated rules. Once that's done, let's see the results in action. Head over to the AI Document Processing tab and select the document you want to process for optical mark recognition. To check the results, simply click on Workflow Status. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll find a list of documents uploaded and processed by elDoc. Click on the most recent document you uploaded and prepare to check the results. You'll be pleased to observe that elDoc has seamlessly captured all the required fields, precisely aligning with the settings you have recently configured. Begin your intelligent document processing journey today by signing up for a free elDoc trial.